24 consonant letter. Let's start. B as in banana. D as in dog. F as in fish. G as in grapes. H as in house. J as in jar. K as in car. L as in lollipop. M as in mouth. N as in net. M as in sing. P as in pig. R as in ring. S as in sun. Z as in treasure. T as in tiger. V as in vase. W as in watermelon. Y as in yo-yo. Z as in zebra. Ch as in child. Sh as in shoulder. Z as in mother. As in third.